Alright, so on this channel we've done the Forget Me Shot, Bart's Manhattan, the Flaming Homer, Skittlebraü. I thought we had done really all the Simpsons cocktails, but then the lawnmower comes around. Let's roll the tape.
Ronnie, are you also my close friend?
Do I smell vodka and wheatgrass?
It's called a lawnmower. I invented it. You want one?
Yeah, okay.
And I'll have a rum and zinc.
So we never see this drink in the episode or get the proper recipe, but I mean, it's vodka and wheatgrass. I can't imagine Homer's too scientific about it. So let's take some wheatgrass juice powder and a bit of vodka and see if it's any good. But what exactly is wheatgrass? I mean, it's basically grass that's part of the wheat family. It's pretty nutrient rich, tends to have a lot of chlorophyll, and some people think it like boosts your immunity, though there's no real scientific evidence of that. So we'll make this in a Glencairn whiskey tasting glass just so we can really get all the subtle nuances of the flavors and aromas. 2 ounces or 60 mils of vodka. And then our wheatgrass, which just literally smells like grass. And we're gonna add the standard measurement of 1/4 teaspoon just right into the vodka here. And that's looking nice and clumpy. Great. All right, maybe to get rid of the clumps, I need to blend this up, but I kind of just want to get this over with. Let's give it a taste. The lawnmower from The Simpsons. Yep, just like Ron Howard, I think this smells like vodka and wheatgrass. All right, in the name of science, here we go. Right away, I get the burn from the ethanol and just a subtle vegetal taste. Okay, it's not terrible, it's not great. It tastes like grass, but there's a sort of subtle sweetness to it that kind of mellows out the vodka a little bit. Let's try again. I'm trying to treat this like a whiskey tasting and swish it around my tongue, and nah, not good. Somehow the second sip was considerably worse than the first. I'm not sure if we can salvage this one for a dramatically improved version, but figured we'd start with some actual wheatgrass, and it smells nice and fresh, and let's see if it's something we can turn into a simple syrup. Channel your inner Edward Scissorhands and cut a big clump of that wheatgrass and throw it into a saucepan. Then we're gonna add 1 cup or about 235 mils of water and just simmer this until it starts to take on the wheatgrass flavor. All right, so after about 30 minutes of simmering this, we have a nice green looking water. Comes out to about 1/2 cup or 115 mils. Don't know why I keep smelling this stuff. It always just smells like grass. We're just making your standard wheatgrass simple syrup with 1/2 cup or about 100 grams of sugar. Just give that a stir to incorporate everything, and once that's dissolved, you have your delicious looking sweetener that we're gonna use for a basic sour template. Do you think I'm the first person to ever make a wheatgrass simple syrup? I kinda hope so, for everyone else's sake. But maybe it's gonna be good. Let's give it a shot. We're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce or about 22 mils into a shaker glass. Then we're gonna balance that out with the juice from this lemon-shaped rock.
Wait a minute. There's a lemon behind that rock!
Even better, another 3/4 of an ounce or 22 mils into the glass. And this is starting to look pretty healthy, so we're gonna fix that with 1.5 ounces or 45 mils of vodka. Because we're going all vegetal with this drink, let's try adding a bit of this green chili vodka from St. George Spirits, which is made with jalapenos, habaneros, serranos, and bell peppers. We're just doing 1/2 ounce or 15 mils of that, and then we're gonna shake everything with ice for about 15 seconds to chill and dilute it. Double strain into a chilled coupe glass, and we have our hopefully improved lawnmower cocktail. You know what? It's actually not bad. The grass flavor is pretty subtle, as it should be, but it does have some nice vegetal flavors coming in from that green chili. It really doesn't get more terroir than this. Now, is this the best cocktail I've ever made? No, probably not, because I'm working with wheatgrass and vodka to go off of here, but surprisingly, this is pretty tasty. As I mentioned earlier, I've done a bunch of Simpsons cocktails on this channel. I'll put some on screen here, but are there any left to do besides the rum and zinc? Let me know in the comments.